In this video, I will show you how to turn off your location on Life360. So first of all, open up your app and go to the location tab all the way at the bottom left. And from here, click on the settings icon at the top left. And let's go ahead and do that. And then you can see location sharing in here. And as you can see, it is saying V family settings. And that is because I'm right now in the V family circle. So switching off your location, you need to do that per circle. So go ahead and click on this section at the top to change the circle where you are in. So go ahead and select the right one and then go back to settings again, click on location sharing. And once you do that, you can just turn off the sharing of your location in here. So let's go ahead and put it off. And then you are not sharing your location anymore with this circle. And this is an easy way to turn it off. So there's also another way to turn off your location on Life360. And that is actually by going to your settings. And then you are switching your location off completely. So for this, you need to go to your settings. So let's go ahead and do that. And then we need to go to our apps. And from our settings, we need to scroll down to applications. And in our applications, we're going to search for Life360. So let's click on this. Then click on location at the top. And right now, as you can see, our location is set to always. But if you want to switch it off like for always and for every circle in general for Life360, then just go ahead and click on never. And that's basically it. You can also put it on always and then put precise location off, and then your precise location can also not be tracked. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.